In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install a MySQL server on your Windows computer, as well as MySQL Workbench to be able to access the data on that server. Let's get started. First, let's head over to the MySQL download site. I'll leave the link in the comments, and I'm going to leave the default options here, version, Windows. It gives you two different options to download, and they look pretty similar, but you can see this one's a lot larger. And this is because it actually contains the Workbench as well. So let's go ahead and download this. Now on the next page, it's going to ask you to log in or sign up. But if you look at the very bottom down here, it says, no thanks, just start my download. So we're going to go ahead and click this link. Now once the download's complete, let's go ahead and get it open. Now your page may look different than mine. Mine says welcome back because I've previously downloaded MySQL Workbench, but I'm installing the server and Workbench again right now. Let's hit next. Might ask you for a couple of permissions and just make sure to hit yes for those. Leave the default checkbox checked and hit next. And then we'll hit execute. Now if you run into any errors, you can just hit retry and it'll retry and it should fix it. Once it's complete, we'll hit next. Next. And we'll hit finish. Next. Finished. And we are complete. Now once it takes you to this page, we can reconfigure our MySQL server. Let's do a quick action of reconfigure. And here we're going to be able to update our accounts. So everything here can stay the same. This one can stay the same as well. And then we're going to say the current root password. I'm going to do it as root. We're going to hit next. Next, and then execute, and it's going to update that root password for the root user. And we'll hit finish. We'll search for Workbench. Workbench starting up, and you can see right here, MySQL connections on the bottom, local instance, your root user. It's already connected. Double click on that, and it opens it up. And I already have some old databases that I had saved in here. Yours will be empty, but to create a new database schema, you just go right here to this create a new schema. All right, and then it gives you a name. You could change your name, and then you hit apply. Apply, and finish. And then right here, here's that new schema. So we successfully installed MySQL Workbench, MySQL Server. We can access that server from our Workbench. And then now with the same username and password of root and root that I used, make sure to change that before you ever deploy it, we'll be able to use the servers, the schemas, the databases on our web apps. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a like and follow, so as I produce new videos, you'll be able to check them out.